guys, I'm going to do a master bedroom and bathroom deep clean today. These items that I'm incorporating today, I do every month or every couple months. They're not things that need to be done bi-weekly or every week. They're kind of deeper cleaning items. So I'm going to show you all of those things that I do today. And the first thing, I've already actually started. I piled up everything that I need to kind of sort through on our bed, and also put our floor cushions and my dog's bed up there because I know I'm going to strip the bed and wash all the sheets anyway. So this is kind of like a catch-all area for everything, for me to clear all of the spaces, clear off all of our dressers and stuff like that, to do the deep clean. So let's go for it. I start any clean with laundry that needs to be done so I can pop things in the wash and they'll wash and dry while I'm cleaning everything else. When I do a deep clean of a bathroom or a room, any throw rugs that can be washed, I put them in the wash. Then what I start with when I deep clean a room is light fixtures and ceiling fans. I just wipe any light fixtures or ceiling fans down with a damp rag, and I do this first so that all the dust from that can fall to the ground, and I'll be vacuuming it up later. Okay, first things first, I take a dry rag, microfiber rag, and I take my all-purpose cleaner and spray one side of it to get it pretty wet, and then I'm going to keep the other side dry. This is how I'm going to dust things. So basically I just wipe everything down with the wet side of the rag and then dry it with the dry side as needed. And you can use as many rags as you need to get everything clean. I pick up everything and get under it and wipe all of my items, pretty much hit every surface of the room. This is a short clip from another clean, which is why I have a pink sweater, but I wanted to show you wiping down the sides of your bed. After dusting everything in our bedroom, I will move on to our bathroom, which is connected to our bedroom. And during a deep clean, I include inside of the cabinets and outside as well. So I'll take everything out of the cabinet, wipe the bottom, wipe the inside of the doors, wipe the outside of the doors, and just get everything really well. Then I wipe our baseboards and woodwork with a microfiber rag and our all-purpose cleaner. I spray everything down with a cleaner and then wipe it with a dry microfiber rag until it's all clean. You can use as many rags as you need. I say entire toilet because you're going to want to get the inside and the outside, all around, behind, top, every lid, everything. You can kind of see how I do that here. Once again, I just use our all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber rag to do this. And then for the inside of the bowl, you can just use vinegar and a toilet brush. Then you'll want to deep clean your shower. I have a video on this that I will link in the end screen of this video if you want a full description. Next, of course, in the bathroom, you have to clean your mirror and your vanity. Just spray everything down with your all-purpose cleaner and wipe it with a dry microfiber rag or a few. I will have a video of a more detailed description of how to do this linked in the description of this video. After everything is clean, it's time to vacuum and mop. I start in the bathroom just because it's small and easy. I vacuum everything out, and then I actually hand wipe our bathroom to mop it just because it's so small. I just start at one end of the room and move my way out of the room. Then I move on to our bedroom, and when I'm deep cleaning, I get inside all of our closets, so I'll take everything off the floor and really get in there and under it, and then nicely place it all back. And another vacuuming tip is to start at one end of the room and back your way to the other end of the room as well. And when I'm deep cleaning, I make sure to get under rugs and pick up things that are on the floor, get under furniture, get around the baseboards with your hose, all those sorts of things. Deep cleaning is a good time to vacuum any couches, chairs, or in our case, cushions. These cushions that we have. I couldn't find our vacuum attachment, so I just vacuumed them regularly, but you'll want to vacuum these because they build up a lot of hair and dust. Then I just move everything that was on our bed back into its place, and I make our bed really nicely and tidy up anything else that I hadn't already done. Hopefully our laundry is done by now and I can place the rugs back in their place and just make everything look really nice. Okay, the room is all cleaned and deep cleaned. I left my computer and stuff out because I know I'll be editing this video soon. So other than that, I went through in the basket, got rid of some blankets, and oh, there's my lighting situation. And the bathroom is all clean too. Woohoo! Thanks for watching this video today, guys. I hope you got a few tips and tricks about deep cleaning and maybe some motivation, maybe some things that you hadn't thought about before. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section. I would love to hear your feedback, and please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. Have a great day.